Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's tutorial or video, I'll be showing you how you can actually make money online using Hawkit. Now, Hawkit is a platform where you can actually make money from and then grow your social media channels or pages. Now, it is important that you go to your Play Store or Google Store to download this app here called Hawkit. You can actually see it here, Hawkit. This is it. Go to Play Store and download it. So what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be opening the app now. And there are two things you need to know from this segment. Number one, if you have an account, all you just need to do is click on login to your account. Number two, if you do not have an account, all you need to do is create an account. Let's say for instance, I have an account, but let's say for instance, I want to show you how to register on the platform. So you click on create free account. So all you need is your full name, your referral username, that is the person who refer you to this app. And if you do not have, that's why you can see from here that it is optional. It doesn't mean that it is compulsory, it is optional. If for instance you don't have a referral, maybe you simply saw the advert online and then no referral, all you just need to do is put your full name. And then let's say for instance I've put my full name, Gaza Elisha, and let me leave the referral and then click on sign up. And then I will be required to put a username, and then I will be required to put an email, and then I'll be required to create a password. So this is all I need to create an account on Hawkit. So all I need to do now is to hover to login now because I have an account. So I'm going to put my username or email or phone number that I used to open this account. So I have finally logged into my account. So you can actually see the interface of my Hawkit. Now my balance here is showing 0 simply because I have either used my money or I have withdrawn it. So you can see from here, I click on this place here. It should be showing my picture, but because of the network, it's not showing. So you click on that place and then you will see the notifications, some of the notifications you have received. Sorry, it's this place you need to click notification bell here. You click on it and then you will see if you've placed order before. So you see here you can see from here the registration fee of 1000 naira was successful. You could see from here what they debited me. You can actually see all transactions, so you can see all the notification here on your account. And you can see from here that I actually withdrew 459 naira. Now you can see it from here. Now what I had in my account was 470 naira, so I just needed to recharge and then I just withdrew it and they had to charge me a fee of 11 naira. So I was paid 459 naira. So that is this, guy. There are many ways you can make money on Hawkit, but I'm going to be showing you 4 different ways of making money on Hawkit. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please do ensure you subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, share this video, and comment below what you think about Hawkit. And don't forget that in this channel I talk about mini importation, I talk about social media marketing, I talk about web design and making money online. Now this is one of the way you can make money online by using Hawkit. And guys, I'll be sharing other platforms that I am using to make money online. So the number one way you can actually make money on Hawkit and how I find it very valuable is selling your product. So selling your product. Let's say for instance you own a service, or you have a service, or you have a product or goods you want to sell, you can come over to Howkit and sell your product. Now, if per and you can actually buy product from Howkit. So because you have sellers, then you must have buyers. So without buyers, you can't have sellers, and without sellers, you can't have buyers. So in this platform, you can sell and actually buy. So that is the first way of using Howkit. It's important. How? For instance, I sold my waist trainer here on Howkit, and it's very close because they look at your location and then they are able to send the goods or your pictures or your advert to those within your locality. So it's not far. So the people who bought the waist trainer were just people who were close by. I could just go hand over the waist trainer to them and then get my money, or they could pay me via the Howkit platform, depending on how we decide to chat. So how you need to do that is to come over to this place here called Marketplace. So you click on this Marketplace here. Now you can actually see products. Now you can see them here. These people are selling their products. You can see. You can see. You can see that this is the marketplace, Howkit Marketplace. So you can click on this place and load more product. But I don't want to do that because I've actually shown you the product here. So the next thing that you want to sell your product is to click on this icon here that says advertise. So you can see it here, advertise. Click on the plus button and click on this icon that says get started. Now, one thing you need to know is that you must pay a one-time membership fee on Howkit. Before you can actually make money on Howkit, you must pay a 1,000 naira membership on Howkit. It's important to know that your 1,000 naira gives you access to in on Howkit, but you can actually grow your social media without paying the 1,000 naira member fee. You are here on Howkit not just to grow your social media, but to make money. So it's important to pay your one-time fee. So all you need to do is to click on continue. Click on this icon continue. And then because I have insufficient fund, you can see here fund your wallet and so forth. So I can just click on fund wallet, and then I will put my You don't have a product to sell, but other people do have product to sell or market. So all you need to do is click on this icon here, and then when you sell any of their product and then you click on get started, when you, let's say for instance, this is what I mean. You're going to resell this product. The cost price is 200,000 and this price here is 31,668. So you don't click on buy product. Don't click on buy product. Click on resell product here. So click on resell product. You can see it here. And let's see. When you resell this product, you are going to be making 20,000 naira from this product. Let's say you are able to sell 10 of this product. Now imagine how much you will be making. Let's say you are even able to sell one of this product every day. How much are you going to be making? You are going to be making 20,000 naira per day. So it's important to know about affiliate marketing. That doesn't mean that you'll be making 20,000 naira per day in any product you sell. No. So we can cancel it and move to this product here. The cost price is 31,668. So let's click on the resell product. Now you are going to be making just 2,600 naira. So each product have its own commission. It's the same thing with affiliate marketing. So you can't market one product and think, okay, you'll be making the same amount of money when you market other products. No. So it's important to know this. So guys, if you're getting value, you got value from this video, please do ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be showing other platform on how you can make money online. Thank you for watching.